Welcome to 3105 West Brewington Road, where you will find granite counters and no carpet in this brick, split bedroom floor plan. The large great room has a vaulted ceiling, laminate flooring, and measures a spacious 22 feet, 8 inches by 16 feet. The kitchen has all new granite counters, stainless appliances, loads of cabinets, and a breakfast bar. The dining area has a vaulted ceiling and French doors leading out to the backyard. The 3 bedrooms offers laminate floors and a split bedroom floor plan, allowing additional privacy for the master bedroom. The master bedroom has a tray ceiling, large walk-in closet, and a private master bath with dual sinks and a large soaker tub shower. The second bedroom has a vaulted ceiling. There is a large utility room between the master bedroom and the 2-car garage. The backyard is fenced, has an extra large patio, and backs to the woods. There is a home warranty, and the home is convenient to Shaw and Sumter. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The large great room has a vaulted ceiling with a ceiling fan, laminate flooring, and measures a spacious 22 feet 8 inches by 16 feet. The large great room has a vaulted ceiling with a ceiling fan, laminate flooring, and measures a spacious 22 feet 8 inches by 16 feet. The large great room has a vaulted ceiling with a ceiling fan, laminate flooring, and measures a spacious 22 feet 8 inches by 16 feet. The dining area has a vaulted ceiling, vinyl floors, French doors that leads out to the backyard, and measures 13 feet 11 inches by 11 feet 6. The kitchen has all new granite counters, stainless appliances, loads of cabinets, a breakfast bar, vinyl flooring, and measures 11 feet 11 inches by 10 feet 10. The kitchen has all new granite counters, stainless appliances, loads of cabinets, a breakfast bar, vinyl flooring, and measures 11 feet 11 inches by 10 feet 10. The hall to the master bedroom, laundry room, and garage is located off the kitchen, making this a split bedrooms floor plan. The master bedroom has a tray ceiling with a ceiling fan, laminate flooring, a large walk-in closet, a private master bath, and measures 14 feet 10 inches by 13 feet 11. The master walk-in closet measures 8 feet 3 inches by 6 feet. The master bath has dual sinks and a large soaker tub shower, vinyl floors, and measures 8 feet 5 inches by 8 feet 2. Bedroom 2 has laminate floors, a vaulted ceiling with a ceiling fan, a closet, and measures 12 feet 10 inches by 11 feet 6. The guest hall is located off the great room, has laminate flooring, and leads to the guest bedrooms and bathroom.